Hi students, now we are going to discuss about the accounting concepts and conventions. These are the 10 accounting concepts and these are the 4 accounting conventions. First we are discuss about the accounting concepts. Accounting concepts are the assumptions under which the accounting transactions are recorded. First accounting concept is business entity concept. So, business enterprise is a group of persons formed to achieve an economic objective. Under this business entity concept, the business enterprise is a group of persons are separate and different from ownership. Second concept is going concern concept. So, the going concern concept reveals that the business organization will be continuing for a long time. It will not exist in the future. Third concept is money measurement concept. Under the money measurement concept, the accounting transactions which have only monetary values will be recorded and non-monetary values will not be recorded. They will be omitted. Fourth one is accounting period concept. So usually the transactions are recorded under the accounting period. For example, 12 months period will be followed from April to March or January to December every year. So here the accounting period concept is used to categorize the revenue items and capital items. So here the accounting period will be for 12 months period will be followed. Next, fifth aspect is dual aspect concept. Each and every transaction will have dual aspect or double aspect. For every debit, there will be an equal and corresponding credit. So, the double entry system of policy will be followed. Sixth concept is cost concept. Under this cost concept, the asset value of purchasing the cost value of purchasing the asset will be considered. So market value of the asset will not be considered. Cost value of purchasing the asset is only be considered. Next, seventh concept is matching concept. So the expenses and incomes of the same accounting year will be compared for calculating the profit. The expenses of the particular year will be compared with the same incomes of the accounting period. Next, realization concept. So the expenses and incomes which are realized during the year will only be considered. They will be earned in the next year will not be considered. During the same year, during the year they are realized will be taken into consideration. Next, accrual concept. So accrual concept means the expenses and incomes which may be paid or received during the next year will also be taken into consideration. So the accrual system of accounting will also be followed. Next, objective evidence concept. Objective evidence concept is reveals the documentary evidence. The true and fair view of objective evidence is documentary evidence. Next, accounting conventions. Accounting conventions are the policies or guidelines that we are guiding the accountant in framing, in preparing the financial statements. First convention is a convention of consistency. A convention of consistency reveals that the same method of accounting will be followed in all the in all the years of organization. So the method will not be changed. For example, the depreciation system written down value of method is followed in 1 year means the in a future year also the same method will be continuing. They will not be changed. Convention of full disclosure. The entire status of the organization will be presented to the parties involved in the process of the firm. Next, convention of materiality. Those information which are needed will be presented in the accounting records. Unimportant items may be omitted or they are merged with other details. Next, convention of conservatism. So the conservatism discloses that the anticipation of profits are not made in the preparation of accounting statements, only the anticipation of losses. So we are made the provision of losses, provision of depreciation will be made, but the provision for incomes we are not made in the preparation of accounting statements. Thank you. These are the accounting concepts and conventions.